Hi, everybody. Okay, so now we are on to editing. We are almost done. So now with editing, editing is like fixing spelling errors, capitalization, grammar, and some of these things Google kind of helps us out with anyway. But teachers should have made possibly some feedbacks, or maybe your peers may have done this in a guided reading group and gave you feedback. Whatever it is, we're going to take the feedback from suggested Google feedback and our teachers or our peers, and we are going to go ahead and edit. This is using their feedback. So I gave examples of this is how I may give feedback to some of my students. I may do it with a video like this on their writing. But here I just wanted to show you an example just in case your teachers give you this. Comments on the side. That's what this is for. I will use these comments, and when I'm done, I can check them off. Okay, so let's look at this one. This says close this space. So the parts that are highlighted in the little yellow sort of look, that is the comment. So what did they say right here? When I click up here, the comment comes down. It says, highlight the story, choose 12 for font size, and Times New Roman for the font. So I am going to go ahead and highlight the whole thing right there all the way down. Remember, that's click with the left, slide down. And then here, up here is where I would choose my font size. It said 14 at first. Oh, my numbers don't show up. Oh, my numbers are not all showing up. As you can see, they're all like a little bit different right there. I don't know if I like that because I can't see my numbers that show up. Oh, there they go. I clicked inside the box. That's how that got to come up. And I will choose 12. I choose 12. That makes everything 12. So now I don't have those different sizes. I'm going to keep it highlighted, and I'm going to go over next to the font. This one says the Arial type font. I don't want that one. You will scroll down. These are in alphabetical order. You see, they start with A. The ones at the top are the ones you use, those are the ones that you just most recently used. So I'm going to scroll down to T for times, and I know it's down here, QRST, right here, Times New Roman. I'm going to click that, and now all of that is 12 and Times New Roman. I'll click off, and then I'm going to hit check. Mark as done, and it's deleted and it flies off. This word says close this space. So let's see if I can close this space. I'll highlight here. I'm going to hit backspace, and there it closed. Okay. Now there's a word there. What did I lose here? I'm going to hit the backspace because you can always replace what you lost. Oh, quiet down. Okay, so I didn't want all of that, just the space. So let me not get the Q, right? So now let's delete that. There we go. That closes that space. Check. Turn that off. Let's click on this word quiet. What does she says? Indent or tab for a paragraph. Well, in order to do that, first I need to hit enter, take us down, and I'm going to hit tab on the side. And there's our indentation, which actually I should have did that for the very first part. Tab that, first little sentence, that's our opener, and we'll check that off. All right, this one says, let's go down to this part. Now, the computer gives us suggestions as well. You can use these. You just click on it, and it makes that correction for you. And as you can see, my check mark went away right as well. I'm going to go ahead and click on this blue. And this one says put a period and capitalize the we. I'll go ahead and click that one. Took away that check as well. Let's go down here to this other highlighted one. This says indent or tab. So I'm going to tab that, get my next paragraph, check that off because I'm done. Now my next one says spell check all the red underlined words. Well, I still have some underlined words that I never did. You click on them, and like I said, Google Documents will fix those for you. Make sure it was what you wanted. Catsuit, that's one word.